All right, welcome back. NCC Baseball. We're going to open up 2 hanger packs of 2019 Bowman Platinum from National Baseball Card Day back in the fall. So here we go. So you got a red gallery cards and then 2 packs. I'm going to wait on the red pack. Alright, here we go. Joe Adele. Andres Munoz, Ryan Weathers, Ronaldo Hernandez, Tuki Toussaint. Another Joe Adele. Juan Soto, Ryan Baruki, Eric Hosmer, Andrew Benintendi, Nolan Arenado, and Chris Sale. Not a bad pack. Thanks to my trusty assistant. Second pack, Lucan Baker, Nicky Lopez, Nico Horner, Keegan Thompson, Shervon Newton, renowned rookies, Williams Astudillo, Austin Dean, Andrew Astudillo, yeah, Andrew McCutchen, Mike Trout, Colby Allard, Javier Baez, and Derek Rodriguez. And then let's open the red pack, National Baseball Card Day. Get 4 coupons. So we got a Mike Trout, Jose Altuve, Nolan's guy, Acuna, and Cal Ripken.
That was a good pack.
Not a bad pack right there. All right, let's go to the second box.
Alright, now I'll open my packs. First I'll open these 2. Vlad Jr. rookie, Nolan Gorman, Bobby Dahlback, Owen White, Kevin Newman rookie, Nick Solak, Acuna, Mookie Betts, Charlie Blackmon, Chris Davis, Ryan Baruki rookie, and Eric Hosmer. I don't think I'm going to beat that pack, the red pack that you got. I don't think there's autos in those packs. Blaze Alexander, Alex Kirilloff, Keston Hero rookie, Cole, I can't say that. Yusnal Diaz, Luis Urias rookie. Oh, Logan Webb auto. We pull him in every single set.
Nice, Logan Webb.
That's our 5th Logan Webb auto. That's a good one. Another Andrew Benintendi, another Arenado, Chris Sale, Austin Dean, Andrew McCutchen. Put that one there. Alright, my National Baseball Card Day pack. So you get the coupons, another Ripken, Clayton Kershaw, Ken Griffey Jr., and Chris Bryant.
Yeah.
So, out of the Bowman Platinum, that was our best pull.
Another autograph.
Yep.
All right, NCC Baseball heading out. Check us out. We're going to have a sale in the next week or so. We'll be posting some info on that. Looking forward to seeing you. Take it easy.